gonna take 77 Chevy out before snows come. This weekend we're supposed to get snow, so I figured, you know what? One last drive. For a little while anyway. And away we go. Boom. Riverboat Gambler. Chevy van. 1977, all original. Not restored. All the original flake. Can't really see it now, my other videos show it. Let's take this sucker for a ride. Here's the back. Hope you can't see it. That was my hand. How'd you like that? My palm red. Got the TV. Cool 70's motorcycle helmet. All the cool woodwork. It's pretty cool. Pretty wild. Lights off. 77,000 miles. Gas. Oil pressure's good. And we're ripping. There we go. Let's see if I can put this camera the other way. Boom. No, that's a picture. Can't play music because, you know, don't have any rights to it, so won't let me post it on Facebook or anywhere, or YouTube, which is a little crazy. Can't go too far because they put salt down on these roads around me, so just gonna have to hit this street and then back and forth, get some developments, scare everybody. That's better. Can hear the stickers on the new tires. It's the first drive with them. Boom. drive. Needs nothing. Runs and drives like it was brand new. Amazing van. Watch that speed on. Likes to move. Likes to boogie down the road. Just take a ride down around here, just scare all these developments. Love driving it. Really is like going back in time. Yeah, this is my 5th one, and I've had 3 77 Chevys, which is pretty neat. Didn't do that on purpose. So every Chevy I've owned, Chevy van, been 77s, and I had 73 Dodge and a 76 Dodge Nautilus. Denny's Dynasty was my 73 500 horsepower small block Mopar. The thing was just wild. That's a California now, been all repainted. Black 77 Shorty Chevy Midnight Madness, that's in a collection in Michigan. And the blue 77 hopcap kind of started out like this. That fantastic van is in I think that's in Ohio, and it's with the original selling dealer. He used to sell, all that, and that was pretty wild. Then it went back to him. It went to him. I think his family bought it for him for his 80th birthday, which was pretty unique. And that's about it. And then Nautilus, of course, that's the famous van, 76. That radical chop. That's a pretty wild van. That's in Pennsylvania now with one very cool owner. He's awesome. His name's Steve, and definitely has a good home. And now this one, Riverboat Gambler, came out of New York, and it is just amazing. It's the best van I've owned. It's just incredible. It's really impressed me. The metallic flake paint is just insane from the 70s. The original owner, Bob, he really took care of it. He passed away in 2006, and then his brother took care of it. I think his name was Dale, and he had just sold it. And I'm glad I ended up with it, because it definitely has a good home with me. Like all the original decals, all that. I got that brochure off online. I thought it was kind of fitting, since the Belle of Louisville is what the painting is on the side, the mural. Well, I guess that's about it. Sorry about the shaky video and stuff. I'm not fancy. I don't have cameras all over the place. All that. I'm just kind of holding it, cruising along. But as you know, I love my vans, but I also love hot rods, old cars, new 70s, 60s. A little bit of everything. Motorcycles. It's just a passion, and it stems from my dad, and it stems from the 1970s. The 1970s were just too cool. It was a great era to grow up in. Early 80s too. It was just awesome. We had a lot of fun, and I'm keeping that fun alive. So I will talk to you all later. All right, bye. Get some night shot here. Pretty cool. Got the lights on. Nice little atmosphere. Yeah, pretty cool. Just kind of toggle switches. Turn them off. Bam. These lights here too, they work. I just don't know. They're for when you enter and exit. All that stuff. We got the crap, man, I'm gonna be splicing all these videos together as one. Forgot a little switch. I got a little air horn under here I keep forgetting to play with. There we go, a little button here on my hand, and boom. Pretty cool, huh? That's it.